Hello everybody. Playing Linux. Now for the first time. For a long time. I haven't played this game. So let's just get into it. Alright. We finally started. Because the other people just didn't start the game. So I left. Oh hell nah. Wow! Oh my god. Let's go. So my plan is kill everybody and then try to win the game. So let's just try to do that. I can't kill them right now, but when somebody's alone, I'm gonna kill them. Nobody here. I'm looking for the people who are less alone. Oh. Can it be? Not me. It's me, but I can't tell them. Nobody's telling some. I can't. This. Skip word. I skip word. Let's go. Acoustic. Nobody voted for me, so that's good. My mic is probably very bad, and oh my god, who did that? Ace Fun died. Ignore that noises. So, what should we do? Ignore those noises, by the way. This is gonna be a little long video, so be ready. It's been a long time since I did a video, so if you guys, oh my god, bro.
should hide very wisely. But before we begin, may your day is the luckiest day in your life. If you like and subscribe.
Oh, I killed someone. Bro left. Why did bro told that, bro? Then bro's gonna get cooked. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh no. Hell no. It should be a lot talking a lot. But I think oh, I think I was locked in. Sorry guys, I was locked in. That's why. I was gonna be voting for my teammate cause oh my god, no way. No way. Yes, we are. Let's go. See you on the next one. Peace.